Okay, I'm in Target, and whenever I come to a store, I always look at the book section if they have one, so I can just share some of the things that homeschooling parents can get for their children, or just anybody that's not homeschooling right now but they're considering it. There's just some things that you can get that you'd be surprised. Homeschooling is very, very easy. Okay, let me show you some things that I would pick out and I would recommend for parents to help their children, young children, to begin to learn how to read. Okay, take a look at this one. This one's called The First 100 Words, and these are sight words. And this is important because when children are learning how to read, these are some of the things, the most common words they see all the time, like apple, banana, duck. And this is something, look how small this book is. It's puffy, and children would like to hold something like this in their hands. Okay? And if they see these all the time, they are going to learn how to read this and recognize this. So a parent would open this and say, blue ball, blue ball, blue ball. Okay, and just kind of repeat that. It's really easy. Children soak up information really, really quickly. I'm going to show you another one that I like too. Look at this one. It's called Never Touch a Shark. But look at this textured area here. Children would love things like this. Look at the different textures. And then you just read to them. You must never touch a giant shark who's in a snappy mood, but if he bakes fantastic treats, then you can try this food. Look, and you just do little fun things like that. Feel that, baby, feel that. And just, it gets them interested. And they love the different textures. Look at this. It's actually kind of fun, if I'm being honest. It's a fun book. Children will like this. Now look at this one. This is called See, Touch, Feel, a first sensory book to share with your baby. Now, you know what's cool about this? You can't tell, but this is kind of raised and it has a texture to it and it's fun to touch. It's almost like the paint has been dried, like an acrylic paint feel. And then look at this. Little picture, messy hands, and all this is textured. It feels so cool. And children will love that, especially the bright colors too. So this is good for when children are first learning how to read. Look at these little fingerprints, the little boy, and they can touch it. Touch your fingers to the raindrops, and then they can put their little fingers there. They'll think that's the coolest thing. And look at this, a big hand and a little hand. So this is a really fun book, and the children would just love to just look at this and feel the different textures in the book. So these are some of the recommendations I would do, and this is just at Target. Here's another fun book. Yeah, my daughter's over here in the cart. She wants to talk to me at the same time as I record. But look at this one. This one's called A is for Apple. And you know what I like about this? Not only does it have fun textured raised pages, but look at this. When you're teaching your child how to write, look at this. Okay? You can do this, and then B is for ball. And they have the little peekaboo pictures. Look at that. And B. So they have the same thing for A is for Apple, and you raise it up. So you know how much children love peekaboo books. This one I would also purchase as well. I just keep seeing so much good stuff. Look at this, write and wipe. And then I like the little handle for little hands, okay? And then the children can practice writing their letters. Seriously, it's super easy. And then look at all the little words they can practice writing with the pictures. And it's with common sight words in this book. This is a fun teaching tool. So when they're sitting in the car, instead of giving them a camera, or what do you call these things, like a little cell phone, give them this, okay? And then here's another one. Look at this. Uh-oh. Get ready for pre-K. Same thing. Write and wipe. And then look at this. And then you can follow up to see if they've been learning their words with these flashcards. Just say, okay, what's this word say? What's this word say? Trust me, homeschooling is not hard. If you start your children early, they soak these things up like a sponge, and it'll be super duper easy. Look, they even have them in English and Spanish, and all of these are relatively inexpensive. So again, I just wanted to follow up and just say that, whenever you come into the Target or like a Walmart or some of these other stores, Burlington Coat Factory, a lot of them have like little bitty books that you can just get. Even the Dollar Tree, just don't be shy about getting some of these things and just putting these books in front of the children instead of the cell phones. You'd be surprised. They want to learn and they want to soak up this information. Children are here to learn. And so we can support them in that, and homeschooling is a breeze. Just get them some of these things in the store and watch and see what they do with it. Okay, see you next time.